Cooking in the lab is a lot like chemistry. Why, we're going to heat molecules up, move them around, maybe even rearrange them to create new compounds. This is what makes Thanksgiving such a delicious holiday. Remember guys, you always have to be safe in the science lab, so wear all your protective gear. And never eat anything you make in the science lab. Today we'll be talking about how science can help you cook up some of your favorite Thanksgiving treats. Always be careful about what you eat in the science lab. Cooking often uses heat to produce melting, the turning from a solid directly to a liquid. Take some of your favorite Thanksgiving treats. Your toast. Need to do some baking? Don't need to bother with yeast. Simply get some baking powder. Baking powder contains an acid and a base. When acids and bases combine, they react. Effervescent gases are produced. You'll have the fluffiest baked bread in no time. It's carbon dioxide gas. One of the most delightful things you can do to bread on Thanksgiving is give it that warm, toasty appeal. That's called the Maillard reaction. Maillard. It's French. It's French. Simply take a piece of bread and bring it close to some heat. Notice the golden toasted effect as the carbohydrates are changed from carbon to a golden brown sponge cake. What could be better on a Thanksgiving? The Maillard reaction also gives you toasted marshmallows. Notice the golden brown color and texture. Delicious. When you're done with your chemical and physical changes, you can enjoy all the fruits of your hard-earned labor. Delicious. Happy Thanksgiving, everyone. And thanks for joining us today on our Thanksgiving edition of Science in the Kitchen. Hi, thanks for joining us today on our Thanksgiving edition of Science in the Lab with Mr. Kitchen. Hi, thanks for joining us today for Science in the Kitchen with Thanksgiving. Hey, Bob, you remember to turn off that burner, right, from the Thanksgiving special? Yeah, we're going to be gone for a couple days and probably won't be back to school for a while, so yeah, just want to make sure everything. All right, thanks. All right, have a great Thanksgiving, Bob. See you next time.